WT 0397 Janet Bautista, 31 years old, single, high school graduate, 2 years domestic helper in Saudi Arabia. Miss Janet, please introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Janet Bautista. I'm 31 years old. I'm single. I live in 76 Railway Street, Tabi, Batangas.
Miss Janet, tell me about your experience as domestic helper in Saudi Arabia. What are your duties and responsibilities?
My duties in domestic helper is cleaning house, take care baby, and
Are you willing to be a domestic helper in Hong Kong?
yes, sir.
Who do you prefer to take care? Baby, kids, or elderly?
Baby.
Do you know how to cook Chinese foods?
No, sir.
But are you willing to learn?
Yes, sir.
Can you do all the household chores?
Yes, sir.
Do you know how to do bottle feeding?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If the baby has fever, what will you do?
I get the temperature to the baby, and if she have sick, I call my madam to tell the baby have sick.
If the baby still keep crying, what will you do?
I check first the pampers, and I look if she hungry.
Okay. Do you know how to sing a lullaby song?
Yes, sir.
Can you sing one song?
London Bridge is falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, falling down. My fair lady.
Okay. If you feel homesick in Hong Kong, what will you do?
I keep myself busy.
How about if one of your family members will get sick in the Philippines? Will you break the contract? What will you do?
First, I call my family in Philippines, but I know if what the sick of my relative in Philippines.
But you don't break the contract. Will you break the contract?
No, sir. I finished my contract.
Can you finish the 2 years contract?
Yes, sir. I did.
What are the things we will teach to the children?
I teach good moral character and love her parents.
How long can you work in Hong Kong?
2 years and long time.
And why you choose to work in Hong Kong?
Because Hong Kong is nice place and give higher salary.
Okay, Miss Janet, can you give some message to your soon-to-be employer in Hong Kong?
Hi, madam. I'm hardworking and you trust me, and I do my best to improve my knowledge.
Okay. So, WT 0397 Janet Bautista, thank you very much.